And then one of these guys na talaga nag-stack up is Patriot. Itong si Monte.
Oo naman. Big time performance. His career high in the MPBL actually. So Gomez de Leano, pinilit. Ball will stay with Manila.
I just want to see a fight from both of these teams. You know, medyo in the Northern Division, we know that it's quite stacked and it kind of brings down your confidence. But, you know, it could get you to some places, maybe even a rhythm for the next season. So, I do hope to see a good fight between both of these teams.
Sagutan ng tres. Una si Marlon Monte. Sa kabila, si Joe Gomez de Leano. Nakakuha ni John Faa.
In the first win of Parañaque, they had 15 3-pointers made. So, that is something that I assume will be used in today's ballgame.
Ballpark yung made threes nila last season eh. Close to 8 to 9. Problem though for Parañaque is I'm feeling the hairdo though by Sam Peralta.
Oh, actually, mapapansin mo agad eh. Oh, that tip-in looking like OG Anunoby.
Alam mo yung mga Charles Caliano, yung mga ganun. Yung playing the guard spot, pero ang hilig mangmama sa ilalim, pumaposte.
Only about, what, 5'10", 5'11", pero post-point guard. Diba? Tapos pagdating sa PBA, si Denok Miranda.
Tama!
Diba? Yung mga, bakit lagi nasa poste ito? Guardia to ah.
No. Manny Pay is the digital wallet built for the community.
Joe, he's already had 2. Oh, 3 already! You know, I'm always proud to say yan ang sa kanilang anim, yan ang pinakagwapong Gomez de Leano.
No chance ba?
Wala, malayo.
Dinala yung championship ring from Pampanga.
Kaya pala siya nag-post ng picture na nagda-drive siya with the ring. I don't know if you saw that.
Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Scan a QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Joe Gomez de Leano is on a heater right now.
I love that whenever he makes a 3, he points to his dad. No, so this is pretty much showing his dad that thank you for being here, thank you for supporting me.
Doligon. Nasaan si Red Eusebio? Siya naman susubok sa tres. Yes! Tomer Santos swings it. Paulo Castro off the side of the backboard but there to clean it up. John Faa. The quick crossover. Turns it over though. Bola na agaw ng Parañaque. Andres dumps it down low. Medina pinunta pa sa kabila. Got back his own miss. Short jumper. It will roll out. The first quarter comes to an end.